Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and I'm currently on my lunch break, so let's get straight to the point of this video. I'm unboxing a Depop mystery bundle. So you guys, if you're familiar with my channel, have known that I don't really have the greatest luck with mystery bundles. I mean, I have come across really awesome ones, like Magic X Kale and Junkie have been like my top 2 favorite boxes that I've unboxed. But then we had others where I was just like, why is this piece freaking included in this box? Like, it doesn't make sense, doesn't fit me, doesn't necessarily match my styles. And the prices have kind of been on the more like medium to high price point. So I know that's not necessarily accessible for everyone. So I thought, you know what? Let's give myself a challenge and find mystery bundles that are $20 and under. So I have 3 of them, but today we are unboxing this one here. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably should. I am at @Twinell_ there. But I pretty much asked you guys on there, like, hey, I have 3 bundles, which one should I open? And the blue one won by a freaking milestone. I'm pretty sure it's the packaging that's just super attractive, but ooh, a dress, ooh. But I was really stoked to open this one specifically because they pull pieces based off a style or aesthetic you want. And I know that's like super original, but the other 2 bundles I have is just someone cleaning out their closet, have no idea what I'm gonna get, and then the other one is based off my Depop link. So we'll see, but today we're doing this one here. And so I bought this bundle off of HALEIGH CALTON. Her shop name is Haley Alexis, so you guys know the drill. We're gonna go through her Depop just so that we get an understanding of her style and her, you know, the aesthetic that she has on her Depop, and then we'll get to unboxing. So let me scooch on over and I'll pull up her Depop. And then this mirror is horrible placement because you can just see the mess in my apartment, but you know what? We're just gonna cover it with her Depop. But what really sold me is that she has over 1,000 sales and over 600 reviews. So I was like, okay, she seems pretty trustworthy. And she's a 17-year-old female reseller, all prices negotiable, free shipping. You guys, that's what I forgot to mention. So the bundle is $20 and I got free shipping off of that. So I was just like, what the heck, that's super affordable. And she says, I'll ship out ASAP after you purchase, which yes, it came pretty quickly. And then as we're going through her Depop, she does have a lot of flat lays, and personally, I just kind of love that. Just because, you know, there's so many different body types on Depop, and trying to find someone with like your same shape is pretty hard. But she does have a little bustier top here for $35, which is, you know, a little bit more pricey than what she would offer in her bundle, so not sure what's gonna be included. We do have these vintage high-waisted acid wash tapered leg jeans. Love that, those are super cute. A little bit of Harley here for only 15 bucks. Not bad. And then here we've got some sweatpants that say BB on the butt. So definitely getting like a combo of vintage and Y2K. So you guys know I'm all about that. I totally love that. And then we are seeing more vintage here with this crew neck sweater, long sleeves, and it has like these rainbow stripes, and that's only $20. I know, like, considering that it's already like spring and summer, 20 bucks is still pretty reasonable. And it looks like she could have been keeping up with some trends too, because we have a sweater vest here that I think is so freaking cute. And it's $15. So, you know, I feel like her price range is pretty broad. We're seeing things within like 15 up to like 50, but I think she does look at like the brand, the style, whether it's trendy. But I mean, to justify those prices, she also offers free shipping, and depending on what you get, it could range anywhere between like $4 to $15 on Depop. So shipping on there kind of sucks sometimes. And before we even open this bundle, I wanted to show you her listing for it and why it captured my eye. First of all, it's pink, pastel pink in specific, so I totally love that. The fact that it's $20, free shipping, and it just says, send me your styles, your sizes, and preferences. I sent her all my measurements, I sent her my dislikes, the style. You guys know that I'm very open to a lot of styles, and I told her open to anything 90s related. Can be girly, gothic, alternative, grunge, diva, fairy, like literally open to anything. And then with all that info, she picked out 2 items. So let's get opening. I'll open it up and I'll give you guys the first little peek. But it looks like it's just a poly mailer and additional packaging inside. Let's see, blue. Okay, we're getting some blue in here. Super cute. And I feel like there might be an envelope in here too. Okay, so the bag is totally empty. So it's in another bag. You guys, I saw Hello Kitty. I love Sanrio. Okay. You know what? Let's just open this up because I can't contain myself anymore. Okay, so it does come with another little baggie here. I love these textures, you guys. I didn't even tell her like that I'm into prints or textures, but she totally nailed it. Okay, so the first piece is a little mini dress by the brand No Boundaries. I absolutely love this brand. I know it's a Walmart brand, right? But it's so freaking cute. So we have a little scoop neck, It's sleeveless. Let me bring you in a little closer because it does have like this very ditzy floral print. Oh my goodness, and this is just in time for spring. Yes, I absolutely love this. I'm super obsessed. Okay, you guys, something that I'm noticing is that it was supposed to come with 2 pieces and I'm seeing a total of 3 clothing pieces, so she did send me an additional item, which for the price and free shipping, that is so freaking generous of her. Okay, this I absolutely love, this little popcorn stretchy shirt. I have always eyed these and every time I get them, it seems like everyone's always like, Danielle, why do you like that? Like that is literally so ugly. But I'm seeing them literally all over the place now. So happy that I finally have one now. And I love this super vibrant blue color. But what's really cool too is that the cuffs and the hem have this little ruffle detail. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to style this. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Oh my goodness, this is super cute too. She gave me more no boundaries. Oh my goodness. Look at this little brown camisole. I've been so into neutrals lately and like, who would have thought? Because I feel like a lot of people know me for loving color and very like eccentric pieces. And then here I am, totally falling in love with neutrals. I love this. So we have a little lace trim, a lot of sequins, which you guys know I'm all about that tackiness. And then we have vertical stitching that kind of mimics stripes. I love this. Okay, let's talk about accessories now. She sent over a Hello Kitty pouch. I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty. I once went to this little Hello Kitty and Puma pop-up in Los Angeles when I first moved here, and I was like this close to getting a tattoo from a tattoo artist they had there, and Arthur was just like, don't think about it, don't do it. But let's see, she filled this little pouch with so many goodies. Let's see, what do we have here? Ooh, a little antique moment here. What the heck? Okay, no, these have a total of 3 earrings. What the heck? Okay, let me bring you in closer because we have these black oval ones that kind of have like a wave detail to them. Little cherry studs, which right now I can totally be rocking. We've got these white earrings that is screaming retro. And we all know that the 60s, 70s is coming back right now. So these are perfect and they're white, okay. A color that I don't usually play with, but there's a start. We have a My Little Pony chapstick. Oh my goodness. This is so nostalgic, you guys. I used to be obsessed with My Little Pony. I used to go onto their website and play their mini games on there all the freaking time. She also included another little pouch with Laffy Taffy and Smarties. Also included a crap ton of little stickers. And then, what is this? Her little business card. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, absolutely love that. And then the final thing she included in here, which is just freaking crazy, is some barrettes. I absolutely love this little color palette. I think it's so freaking cute, very pastel, perfect for the spring right now. I absolutely love all this, so let's get it styled, try it on, and see how everything fits, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. You guys, look at this dress. It's so freaking cute. I'm gonna take more of a minimalistic approach, not too much layering because it's freaking hot in Los Angeles. I always have at least 2 ACs running in my apartment and try to keep the curtains closed at all times. So no layering, very simple. The only thing I did add was this belt that my sister thrifted for me. Look at how freaking cute it is. And it has a little heart emblem there. I also don't totally live in my demonia, so decided to do a little kitten heel instead, just so it could fit like the whole spring aesthetic. And then I added those white earrings she included. So freaking cute. Yes, I love this. And honestly, I was really surprised about the dress fitting me just because my hips have grown a little bit during the pandemic. So, you know, usually things are very snug around the hips, but it is roomy in here. Yes, I love it. Okay, outfit number 2, let's go. But just kidding, I do live in my demonias. You guys, I spent over $100 on these shoes, so you know damn well I'm gonna wear them just about every single day. But here we have the top now. I think this fit is so freaking cute. Let me bring you in a little bit closer because we do have the little lace trim. Awesome, and best part is that it does have adjustable shoulder straps. But you know, I did notice that the sizing for this is an extra large in kids, but even that, the bust is a little too big for my boobs. No surprise there, but I think I might just run it under the sewing machine just so that it has a better fit because I personally really love this top and I don't plan on getting rid of it. But with that said, you guys, let's move on to outfit number 3. Y'all, here is outfit number 3, and let's just take a moment to talk about how freaking fun it is with the texture, with the print. We are toning it down just a bit with the clear slides, but I honestly just want to go on an unnecessary grocery run just to show this fit off. I think it's so freaking cute, and hopefully this persuades more people to go out and buy popcorn shirts, because I promise you, they are a wardrobe game changer. We have the white earrings again. So cool, absolutely love them. And then this little pearl choker with smiley faces on it. And then as far as the sizing of the shirt, I mean, it fits pretty well. It didn't have a tag, but also I think these shirts are more of like an OS, like a one size fits all. So, I mean, there's plenty of stretch to it. It hugs the body pretty nicely without it being like super constricting, but it's also not loose. Like, it doesn't look big. But you guys, that pretty much does it for this last outfit. So let's talk about my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, let's talk about my final thoughts because I am so pleasantly surprised with all of these freaking pieces. I don't have a favorite because honestly, I love them all equally. The only thing I guess I do have to say is that sizing was a little bit off, but it wasn't like super dramatic. Also, I have a sewing machine, so I can easily just like alter it myself. So, you know, just keep that in mind if you do plan on getting a bundle. But I mean, for $20, free shipping, HALEIGH did such a freaking good job. So I was very open-minded about this whole entire process, but I did specify that I wanted 90s. And I did give her a bunch of aesthetics. I said like feminine, fairy, alternative, and she really delivered. I feel like I got a very feminine one, a fairy grunge one, and I'm not sure what you would categorize this as, but it's very bold, makes a statement, also very playful. But I mean, with that being said, this bundle's only 20 bucks, free shipping. Like, that's pretty unbeatable. So really appreciate how accessible her prices are, and for a really good bundle too. So definitely I'm gonna give her a high rating. I am gonna do a 9.5 out of 10, and really just knocking off that half point for that brown camisole that fit just a smidge too big. But honestly, it really isn't much of an issue. It just really comes down on, you know, the fit that the person likes, how you style it. So I highly recommend that you guys get a bundle from HALEIGH. If you do get one, hit me up on Instagram and let me know what you end up getting. But I'm gonna put her Depop right over here. It is at HALEIGH Alexis. I'll also leave it down in the description box as well. But you guys, that pretty much does it for unboxing a $20 mystery bundle. Honestly, I feel like the bar is set pretty high, so who knows what the other bundles are gonna look like, but stay tuned for those. Those are coming in the next upcoming weeks. As always, I try to post a video at least once a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!